Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about the enhancing India-Egypt relations. So recently the Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi was on a 5-day visit to the United States of America and then to the Egypt. So now that he has returned back, there is a strategic partnership pact that has been signed between India and Egypt, and that is what we will be looking into, the India-Egypt relations. So first of all, the timeline of the video. First we'll be looking at the news, then what is the history of India and Egypt, the trade relations between India and Egypt from different perspective, be it political, economic, and then cultural, history, and etc. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is International Relations and IR, and many a times it has been asked, and it becomes important from mains perspective also to know the countries which are in prominence and to the countries that the higher dignitaries of India has had a visit. Now this news has been taken from the Indian Express and it says India-Egypt sign pact on strategic partnership as Modi Al-Sisi hold talks. So Modi is the PM of India, that is the Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi, and Al-Sisi is the President of Egypt. So recently when the Prime Minister of India Mr. Modi was in Egypt, so Egypt and India has signed on a strategic partnership which was earlier only a bilateral pact. So let us see what has happened is, so before going on to the news, let's look at the map of Egypt. So Egypt lies in the African continent and this is how exactly the African continent looks like. An African continent has the highest number of countries in any continent, and Egypt lies to the north and east portion of the African continent. So this is the location of Egypt on the African continent, and Egypt shares its border on the north side with the Mediterranean Sea. And if we will zoom out the map of Egypt, then this is how the map of Egypt looks like. So Egypt on the north shares its border with the Mediterranean Sea, and on the eastern side it shares its border with the Red Sea, and it is the Suez Canal which connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea. And the capital of Egypt is Cairo, which lies in the northern portion of Egypt, and it also has the Nile Delta. Now let's see that what has happened is that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a 5-day visit to the United States of America, where he met the President of America and to Egypt. And India and Egypt has signed a strategic partnership agreement which was earlier a bilateral trade pact or a bilateral pact between India and Egypt, but now enhancing onto the relationship, it is now a strategic partnership. So PM Narendra Modi and President of Egypt, that is Abdel Fattah Al-Sisi, they held one-on-one talks in the capital of Egypt, which is Cairo, and the strategic partnership agreement is a follow-up because in this year, that is the 2023 Republic Day celebration, the President of Egypt came as the chief guest in the Republic Day celebrations of India, and that is when the talks between the enhancing of the bilateral pact between India and Egypt started, and now they have reached its conclusion that a strategic partnership agreement has been signed, which was started at the time of the Republic Day celebration when the President of Egypt Al-Sisi visited India as the chief guest. Now the Egyptian president has honored the Prime Minister Modi with the Order of the Nile Award, and Order of the Nile Award is the highest honor of the Egypt, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been given this honor. And all over between India and Egypt, 3 pacts has been signed, that is 3 pacts are on agriculture, preservation of monuments and archaeological sites, and on competition law. So the 3 pacts has been signed on these 3 aspects, and the strategic partnership that has been signed between India and Egypt it has 4 elements, and the 4 elements of the strategic partnership between India and Egypt. So strategic partnership can only take place between two nations which are very close to each other and they understand each other's importance and their strategic importance. So the strategic partnership has 4 elements, and that is political defense and security, economic engagement, scientific and academic collaboration, and fourth one being cultural and people to people contacts. So these 4 are the elements which is there in strategic partnership between India and Egypt. Now let's talk about the relationship that both countries, that is India and Egypt, share. And starting on to this, we should start with what is the history of India and Egypt. So when we talk about the history of India and Egypt, then the contact between India and Egypt dates very back from the times of Ashoka, as we can find out from the Ashokan edicts that India and Egypt shared a lot of common things. So contact between India and Egypt, two of the world's oldest civilizations, that is what they have in common, that they both are one of the oldest civilizations that can be tracked back to at least the time of Emperor Ashoka, as Ashoka's edicts tell a lot about India and Egypt partnership. And India and Egypt has signed a friendship treaty in the year 1955. So the friendship treaty of Egypt and India is so old that it was signed in 1955. And from the year 1961, India and Egypt along with Yugoslavia, Indonesia and Ghana has established the NAM, that is the non-alignment movement. So India and Egypt along with Yugoslavia, Indonesia and Ghana, they were the part of the non-alignment movement, as at that point of time the world was divided, as it was bipolar between USSR being on one side and United States of America being on the other side. But there were few countries which was following the NAM movement, and that is the non-aligned movement. They were not inside of any of the two entities, and they were in middle of it, or you can say that they were little bit or a bit neutral in their own senses. And that is where in the year 1961 India and Egypt were a part of NAM. Then in the year 2016, a joint statement between India and Egypt identified political security cooperation, economic engagement and scientific collaboration, then cultural and people ties as the basis of a new partnership. So a new partnership in the year 2016 has been grown between India and Egypt, and we have seen that in the last decade the relationship between India and Egypt has enhanced and has flourished a lot more what it has over the years. And few of the bases were these, that political security cooperation, then economic engagement and scientific collaboration, then cultural and people ties. Now let's talk about the trade relations between Egypt and India. That is, the bilateral trade agreement has been in operation since 1978 and is based on the most favored nation clause. So when we can talk about that with regard to the World Trade Organization, which is that clause that India and Egypt share, so that is most favored nation. So this is important. Then the bilateral trade in 2018-19 was USD 4.55 billion. Then in the year 2019-20 it has grown to 4.5. Then in the year 2021 4.15. So if you will see that the bilateral trade between both the countries is almost on same line. Then the bilateral trade has expanded rapidly in the year 2021-2022, amounting to 7.26 billion, registering a 75% increase compared to the fiscal year 2020-21. And one of the biggest reason was that the year 2019-20 and the year 2020-21 was also COVID year. So these are the years when the export was not at their peak and there was restriction because of the coronavirus pandemic that was going on around the world. So because of the pandemic year or because of the corona effect, the year 2019-20 and 2020-21 could not see the export as they should. But when everything went back to normal and the physical activities started Again, then in the year 2021-22, 75% increase in bilateral trade was experienced. Then India was the sixth most important trading partner for Egypt in the fiscal year 2021 and 22. So from Egypt's perspective, India is the sixth most important trading partner for Egypt. Now moving on to the point of scientific cooperation or science and technology. Then ICAR and Agricultural Research Center of Egypt are working in the field of agricultural research so that both countries can provide help to each other, and the reciprocity should be maintained. And in science and technology, cooperation is implemented through biennial executive programs and scientific cooperation program between CSIR and NCR Egypt. So it is basically on the agricultural research. So both the student centric approach has been followed. Then we talk about the defense cooperation. Then the Joint Defense Committee plays a crucial role in shaping the current defense cooperation between India and Egypt. But the important aspect between the defense cooperation remains the exercises which have started in the recent past, and that is in the year 2021, first ever. Whenever the word first ever comes, it becomes all the more important to pay attention towards it, because that can be asked in the exam and becomes all the more important from both UPSC and also from the state PCS perspective. Then the first ever joint tactical air exercise named Desert Warrior. So the exercise Desert Warrior, I'm again repeating, Desert Warrior takes place between India and Egypt, between the Indian Air Force and the Egyptian Air Force. Then in the year 2023, exercise Cyclone 1. Again, exercise Cyclone 1 commended at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and it took between Indian Army and Egyptian Army. So the exercise Cyclone 1 and the exercise Desert Warrior takes place between India and Egypt. Then let's talk about the people who are staying in Egypt. That is, Indian community in Egypt numbers at around 4,000, and most of them are concentrated in the capital of Egypt, that is Cairo. So it is not that a huge population of Indian community stays in Egypt. The numbers are not very huge, but the number are important. And about 976 Indian students are studying in Egypt in different universities. Then Maulana Azad Center for Indian Culture in Egypt promotes cultural cooperation. So when we talk about cultural cooperation, then the name of Maulana Azad Center for Indian Culture comes to the forefront. And it organizes activities such as language classes, seminars, film shows, exhibitions. Participation is local cultural events. So in the whole we have talked about history, we have talked about trade, science and technology, Indian community, cultural aspects, and also of the defense aspects. And in the end, we will be discussing about the prelims MCQ. And I have done this one, but because this becomes important, I'm asking this in the prelims question, and you people need to give me the answer in the comment section. So try to solve it. The Desert Warrior exercise takes place between India and which other nation? That is Singapore, Nigeria, US, or Egypt. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.